Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Charles Schwab account. First, navigate to the official Charles Schwab website and attempt to log in with your credentials. If you have trouble, use the Forgot Username or Password option. Alternatively, gather any physical or digital statements you might have received. These documents, including tax forms like Form 1099, typically display your account number clearly. Also, search your email inbox for any correspondence from Charles Schwab, as these often contain account details or links to your profile. Once logged in, your account dashboard should prominently display your active accounts and their respective numbers. If you're unable to log in, consider using the password reset feature. For those who prefer physical records, carefully examine any mailed statements or trade confirmations. These documents are designed to provide a clear overview of your holdings and will always include your specific account numbers. Remember, tax documents like Form 1099 are also a reliable source for this information. If you've exhausted online methods and reviewed your documents without success, the next step is to contact Charles Schwab customer service. Their support team is equipped to help you locate your accounts. When you call, be ready to provide personal identifying information to verify your identity. This might include your social security number, date of birth, or address. They can then assist you in retrieving your account numbers or guide you through the process of regaining online access. To quickly recap, finding your Charles Schwab account involves checking your online portal, reviewing physical or digital statements, and searching your email for official communications. If these steps don't yield results, don't hesitate to reach out to Charles Schwab customer service for personalized assistance. They are there to help you navigate any challenges. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.